This is the finished result of me plucking this unit from Ashy Mary. I kind of over plucked it. You might can see it in my little swoops. I'm not good with baby hairs, but this is my doing. And this is Ashy Mary. This is a 360 human hair wig. And this is the final result of me fixing it up. Not bad. So, let's style her. All I did was put some mousse and water and some tinting spray. And I'll let it sit overnight. And I'm not going to blow her down, so. Oh, I did put a sew a band in here. I sewed a band in my wig. That's just me. I look like a queen. That's so silly. Yeah, because I don't want it. I'm looking down in my mirror so I can see. You can cut these down some more. I cut them later. You can glue that down, but I won't. And I'm just trying to do something with these crazy baby hairs. I need to work on that, y'all. Work this down a little bit. I can't get it. This is horrible. I can't get these baby hairs right. Need to pluck them. Okay, not bad. Put some tip in here. As clumsy as I can be today. Baby look like. This is the end of the video. I had no shedding, no tangling. She was an easy fix. I like her. Easy for the summer. Oh, mind you, like I said, this is a 360 wig. You know, I'm gonna show you guys maybe what you can do with her. Me turn around so you can see what she looks like. Oh, moved. See. You can put her up. Oh, this is cute. And do all kinds of little summer styles. You can do all kinds of little poses. This is cute. So, this is Ashy Mary. Oh, let me turn around so you all can see what this would look like in the fact. It's cute. Now let me take this out. Okay. That's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe to all of my social media networks. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's free. Let's talk about it in the comments. We'll be having some more videos. Keep watching, and thanks for stopping by. Peace.